Understanding vaccine appointment. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential phrase that has become a significant part of our lives: vaccine appointment. Whether you're learning English for travel, work, or personal enrichment, knowing how to talk about health-related appointments is incredibly useful. So, let's break down what vaccine appointments are and how to use this phrase in your conversations. A vaccine appointment refers to a scheduled meeting where an individual goes to receive a vaccine. Vaccines are medical products that protect us against various diseases, such as the flu, measles, or COVID-19. When you have a vaccine appointment, it means you have a specific date and time to go to a clinic, hospital, or another medical facility to get your vaccination shot. Vaccine appointments are crucial for several reasons. Firstly, they ensure that vaccines are administered safely and effectively by medical professionals. Secondly, scheduling appointments helps manage the flow of people in healthcare settings, reducing waiting times and avoiding overcrowding. It's a way to organize healthcare services efficiently, ensuring everyone gets the protection they need in a timely manner. Scheduling a vaccine appointment can vary depending on your country or local health services. Typically, you can book an appointment through a website, over the phone, or in some cases, in person. You'll need to provide some personal information, such as your name, age, and health history. It's also important to know the type of vaccine you're receiving and any follow-up doses required. Before heading to your vaccine appointment, there are a few things to prepare. Ensure you have any required documents, like identification or a health card. Wear clothing that allows easy access to your arm for the shot. It's also wise to eat something before your appointment to avoid feeling lightheaded, and drink plenty of water. We hope this video has helped clarify what a vaccine appointment is and why it's a critical part of maintaining public health. Remember, vaccines are a key tool in fighting diseases and keeping our communities safe. If you have the opportunity to get vaccinated, scheduling your appointment is the first step towards protection. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy and safe.